Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and welcome to On the Table. Today I am making crispy air-fried chicken wings. Perfectly seasoned with a flavor-packed spice rub and air-fried to crispy perfection. This recipe is super simple, comes together with just a few ingredients. I am starting with a big bowl of my chicken wings and the drumettes. And today I'm using my favorite spice blend, which is the Sur La Table maple chili spice blend. I really like it for its balance of sweet and spicy. So what you need is about 2 tablespoons or enough to coat all of your wings. Sprinkle it over top. Take your tongs, give it a good toss. And because we aren't deep frying these, we're doing these in an air fryer, we do need to add just a little bit more oil just to ensure we get those really, really crispy edges. Just enough to give a light coating to the chicken and to make sure all of that spice blend really adheres to those wings. All right, that is looking good. These are ready to be loaded onto my basket. Now each air fryer is a little different in their setup, but the one I'm using today comes with a basket. Now this isn't going to hold all of my wings, so I want to work in 2 batches because I want to make sure that the air of the air fryer can circulate completely around each chicken wing. So we probably need to work in 2 batches or so. I like to do this over a rimmed baking sheet so it doesn't just drip onto my counter. Make sure there's space in between, and these are ready to go into my air fryer. I've got my drip tray set at the bottom to catch any drippings from the chicken wings. Place my chicken in the air fryer basket. Turn on your air fryer. Choose the air fry function for 10 minutes. Need to add some water into the top to activate some steam to help release some of that fat. Start. All right, my timer just went off. I'm going to carefully check on these and flip them just to make sure that they are not sticking to the basket. And those are looking great. Okay, push those back in, close it up, turn this back on and reset my timer for about another 10 minutes. And I'm looking for the internal temperature to be 165 degrees. Alrighty. Oh. Listen to that. Hear that snap, crackle, pop. Set it on my little drip tray. Look at that. You would never know that these didn't come out of a fryer. All right, and there you have it. Crispy, flavor-packed, air-fried chicken wings, ready in no time. Just serve them with your favorite dipping sauce. These are great for entertaining, a quick weeknight meal, or a snack. Happy cooking.